Yeah, we probably shouldn't be here.
Probably not.
Coyote walked across the ice. Why can't we?
He's a little bit lighter. All right, guys, we're back out at the lake. It's been cold. We've got a bunch of snow.
Doesn't it sound like really weird? Too hollow, you know?
That's thin.
It sounds super hollow.
It does. We might be SOL. At least at this lake. We've got a few other ones to check.
Yeah, it just sounds really hollow.
I think it might be all the snow on top is making a funny noise. That's a little
bit better.
A little bit thicker.
I mean, what we want to get to is that tree pile. So, I mean, all this stuff in here looks sketchy as it is.
Yeah.
But, you know, the snow cover on it, you can't really see. But
no.
I would think, you know, I'm going to keep walking out. So we keep walking and turning. What's the worst that could happen?
Fall through?
Yeah.
We don't have a rope. Neither of us have our spikes on. Yeah, you can see it moving a bit.
I mean,
it does sound weird.
I've never heard that all of my years. It's definitely
not as thick as I thought it would be.
No.
Not as thick as I thought it would be.
I'm gonna keep wading out, punching. I'll let you hold on to this guy.
You want the spud bar? It's getting thicker.
It is getting a little bit thicker. I mean, we're definitely not on 4 yet, but yeah, let me take your spud too. Spud as it go.
I'm gonna film him, so if he falls in, we've got video evidence. The ice is getting thicker as he's going out, which is to be expected.
Like 5 good. Look at all that air coming through.
Oh yeah, I can see the bubbles.
I don't know what would make that. Like, did the water level drop while the ice was formed?
Just try lighting him on fire. Might be methane.
Fat dude down there ripping. That's crazy.
I've never seen that before. Don't know if that's good or bad. It may not be a big hot day. Is it getting thicker? Shrank? We'll just go try a different lake. Whatever you think. All right, we're gonna go check another lake. See if we can find some better spots.
Oh, dude.
Thicker?
5-6 inches there.
Yeah, the bank's a little mush, but.
How deep is this? Stick that spud bar down that hole to see.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Couple feet.
Foot. Let's throw up the shack right here on 2 foot of water.
Yeah, this is better than the other lake.
For sure. See, a little bit of air popping out. About the same. You know what? Let's before we get too far out, let's get the grab the Panoptics and yeah, give her a look around.
See what it looks like. See if we can see any fish. All right, guys, so we found some ice that's, I don't know, maybe 4 inches. There's a layer of slush on top. So we grabbed our little stuff. I did bring my big ice sled with me, my shack, but we're gonna look around with this Panoptics a bit, see if we can spot anything down here. You said you've only fished this lake once?
Yeah, one time, and it was
not amazing.
No. I mean, it looks like there might be some stuff moving along over here. Of course, the screen is moving. Does that mean that's fish? Yeah, actually, they got real red. Oh, those are fish.
Those are fish, yeah.
They moved. So they are approximately, 15, 16 foot in that direction, which isn't very far from us. Let's do it to it, I guess.
Yeah.
What do you got to lose?
We're gonna get set up and we're gonna drop some lines in and see if we can catch some fish, guys. We kind of cleared the snow out. As you can see, the water is coming up out of these holes. The ice is definitely sinking. And as Mike said, basically we're in the lake right now.
Technically, we're in the lake.
Yeah.
I mean, we're still.
I mean, we got 3-4 inches.
I say we'll sit here for a little bit. And if my butthole starts to pucker, we'll
Yeah.
reconsider. But we're only like 8-9 foot of water.
Yeah, we're gonna try it, guys. We might not stay for long, but we're gonna try it.
I was wondering if we needed something more glowy. Just because I know it's dark. Oh, that was a hit, dude. That was definitely a little hit there.
Well, there you go, little gill.
Little gill. That's a good catfish bait right there. Man, good luck catching him.
Just live up here with us.
You know what? You're my new pet. Abba Zabba, you're my only friend. Jesus Christ. All right,
found the hole.
go down.
You
Go
found
down.
the hole.
Go down.
That's awesome. There, you can see it running away. That was cool.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't be here.
Probably not.
I think you got fish coming up to you.
I'm not paying attention.
Yeah, there's something below you.
I like the dead stick, and oh, there you go. Just had to get on my phone.
Well, they're dink bluegill, but at least we're catching.
Yeah.
I like to be over at my spot getting these crappie, but I'm content.
I mean, we can try here, and we could go try off Rogers.
Yeah, you know what? Honestly, that's probably a good place to go next if we do leave this.
Because ooh, you almost had it. That spot should be fairly shaded most of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you're going the wrong way.
I did catch that big crappie over there.
Try to get food
last time. Did he make it down?
No.
No.
He's getting there.
He's very close. Come on.
You almost got it. You almost got it. There you go. Yes. Dude, they're smarter than you think.
They are.
Like, do they see the hole?
A couple geese. Just reading on me. We're on the right side.
Mm-hmm.
It's real faint. Oh my god, that's a dinky. That's a dinker. It was the slightest, smallest hit. Should be using. That's a bigger hit.
You got one.
But she's just a dinker.
I can't get any dang hits.
I just like catch him, watch him swim here on our live well that we're sitting in. Let's see if he goes down. Nope. Oh, bro.
He's stuck.
Bro. Oh, I don't want to die in this. No.
He's like, get off me.
Oh, he's swimming away from me.
Oh, there he is. Go down the
All right.
hole. There we go.
I must say that's a first. I mean, I've had water come through my hole, but never this deep. There's something on the bottom now.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, there's one coming to me.
He's still there.
Little fish.
There's another one on the bottom of my side. Let's go get down there.
God, they're tiny, dude. They can't get the hook in their mouth. Come up, eat it.
Just eat it. Oh, there's one of me again. There he is.
Come on, and he went back down. You getting that wax worm? Probably. Yep.
All right, let's try this. Oh, no. Let's try this again.
You gotta launch him down the hole.
Look at that fish. He's coming up to something up here. Two of them, shallow. You know, I'm gonna try to catch them in here.
Here.
Nope, no, just drop it on my leg.
It's right there.
All right. I can't see him, but... Oop. There we go.
That is ridiculous.
I couldn't even see him, but I just knew they were there. But the bad part is trying to release the guys again.
Yeah, you gotta launch him straight down that hole. Need like a tube.
Oh,
Get him.
I should go get a piece of... Come on, dude. Come on, dude.
Just let him be for a minute. He might find his way back. He's
He
going
is.
towards it.
And down he
Down the hole.
There we
That's
go.
wild. Oh, there's a big one. You see
There
him?
is. Yeah, that looks like a big one.
That looks like a good one.
He's right on you. Right now he's on you.
There we go. What is that?
Big loop.
Just a big gill, but hey, he came in hot.
I mean, look at the distortion in the water. From
Yeah.
where we were.
Sorry, bud. I know you kind of swallowed that, son of a bitch.
I guess we can call it experimenting with panoptics. Well, we went out to a little pond down here. Oh, he just bumped my foot. That was like, he had some steam on that one.
Bro.
Honestly, I need to get reporting to that.
Hey, they can leave it up.
No, I'm all right. Actually, you know what? I will report this. If you don't find the hole, which he almost found it. Video. There we go. This is how much water we have on the lake. That our fish could freely swim around.
Keep it sketchy, guys.
Come on, go towards the hole. Oh, he's going your way. Oh.
Did he make it?
He made it in the panoptics
He
hole?
made it there.
He did, all right.
They've been finding their own way back down. Dear fishy, fishy.
All right, I feel like that water came up a little bit on that leg.
Oh yeah, it did. Maybe it's time to move.
Maybe.
All right, guys. Well, from our where we're measuring the water at on one of the legs of the tripod over there, it looks like it's probably come up about a half an inch.
Actually, I think it looks like it's steadily still rising, dude.
So we're sinking quick. I think we're gonna pack up and maybe move spots, try a different spot. If not, that might be it for now, but we'll see what we can find. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we tried a second spot down here. We didn't have any luck. I don't even know if I'm gonna put that in the video. We saw one fish and that was it. We've just kind of been driving around looking at different spots, and had the ice conditions been better down here, we definitely would have had some better luck. But we couldn't get to the spots that we really wanted to fish.
Yeah, I don't know if we ever will.
And yeah, this year I don't really foresee it happening, but you know, you never know what's gonna happen. It's almost February, I guess. So yeah. If anything, we've got another month of possible ice.
And like I always considered anything after Valentine's Day is a bonus for our ice fishing season. So I just don't think it's gonna happen this year, man. We might get lucky, who knows? They just don't look very promising.
No. So anyways, guys, we're gonna call it for the day, but we do have a good plan for some fishing coming up. Me and Mike are taking a bit of a trip here, hopefully. So I guess stay tuned for that in the coming weeks or so.
Yeah.
And that's about it, guys. I guess we'll see you in a bit.